Okay guys, now we're able to see the Samsung microwave and hot blast technology unboxing. We can see the plate outside which we use inside the microwave oven. I see it's nicely packed with thermocol sheet. So the microwave oven is now out. It looks very good. Let us unpack it. It's looking very nice. So it is unpacked now. So yeah, user manual guide which Samsung provides, the warranty card also. Okay, and these are the add-ons. Okay, this is a ring plate which we use inside the micro oven, and these are all the oven things which will inside. Okay, okay, it looks nice. So this is the yeah, this is the oven plate. Mm, let's go inside. Okay, it's big inside, lot of spacious. We can see the menu options here, auto menu options, and these are the options we have. Hot blast is just the latest technology. Slow fry. Overall, I see the oven is looking very sexy and nice. So it's the connecting wire. It's a long wire. It will be around 1 meter wire, I guess. Okay, everything looks good. Thanks to Flipkart for safe delivery. Okay, thank you Flipkart and thank you Samsung.